Welcome again to the Hindi classes. Okay, so let's begin our today's class from where we had left in the previous classes. So today I have to tell you weekdays in Hindi. So let's start our class. I hope you all had practiced this section at home very well. So here we have weekdays name. I hope I am visible, as well as the day's name. Okay, so in English, the weekdays, we have 7 days in a week, and English we called Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay, so these are the 7 days which we have, and in Hindi it is called like Monday in Hindi is Somvar. Monday in Hindi is Somvar. Tuesday in Hindi is Mangalvar. Tuesday in Hindi is Mangalvar. Wednesday in Hindi is Buddhavar. Wednesday in Hindi is Buddhavar. Thursday in Hindi is Guruvar. Thursday in Hindi is Guruvar. Friday in Hindi is Shukravar. Shukravar. What we call Shukravar. Saturday in Hindi is Shanivar. Shanivar. Sunday Ravivar. Sunday Ravivar. So we have 7 days in Hindi like Somvar, Mangalvar, Buddhavar, Guruvar, Shukravar, Shanivar, and Ravivar. Okay. Somvar, learn with me, practice with me. You should also have practice at home with me. Okay, so let's repeat after me. Somvar, Mangalvar, Buddhavar, Guruvar, Shukravar, Shanivar, and Ravivar. Ravivar is for Sunday, Shanivar is for Saturday, Shukravar is for Friday, Guruvar is for Thursday, Buddhavar is for Wednesday, Mangalvar is for Tuesday, and Somvar is for Monday. Okay. So let's move. Our next slide is here. We have flowers name. So firstly, we will see what is the Hindi meaning of flower. In Hindi, it's fool, and pushp, pushp. So this is fool, this is fool, this is pushp. For memorizing, you can connect this fool with a FOOL, fool, which means idiot or murk in Hindi. Okay, but this is fool. This is fool. This is the Hindi spelling of fool, and this is pushp. What is it? Pushp. Fool and pushp. Fool and pushp is the synonyms to each other. Okay, so flowers means fool and pushp. Repeat after me. Flowers means fool and pushp. So let's see what we have. First flower. Okay, so we have first flower is rose. The meaning of rose in Hindi is gulab, and we will pronounce like gulab. What is this? Gulab. This is gulab. Rose means gulab. Next we have marigold. Marigold means genda. This is genda. This is genda. Next we have sunflower, my favorite, and this is very interesting flower also. Like the Hindi meaning of sunflower is Surajmukhi. Surajmukhi. Suraj means it is the Hindi form of sun. The meaning of sun in Hindi is Suraj, and this flower always faces to the sun. Okay, that's why it is called sunflower. Sunflower. Sunflower is Surajmukhi. Surajmukhi. Next we have magnolia. What is this? Magnolia, and in Hindi it is called champa. It is called champa. In Hindi it is easy. Champa. Magnolia means champa, champa. Sunflower means surajmukhi. Marigold means genda. Marigold means genda. Rose means gulab. Rose means gulab. Next we have dahlia. In Hindi it is also called dahlia. Dahlia. What is this? Dahlia. Next we have daffodil. What is this? Daffodil. And in Hindi it is called nargis. What is this? Nargis. 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 Daffodil means nargis. Okay. So I hope you all practiced with me. And next we have, okay, so next we have lotus. Lotus means kamal. Kamal. It is easy. You can easily pronounce it. Lotus means kamal. Lotus means kamal. Next we have jasmine. Jasmine. If it is a person's name, it will be very beautiful. Like jasmine. Jasmine means chameli. What is the Hindi meaning of jasmine is chameli. Chameli. What is called? Chameli. Chameli. If you like, if you feel like you are interrupting in Hindi, and you should, I told you, you should just break the word and pronounce in dividation form. Okay, so it will be easy for you to pronounce easily the whole word. Next we have hibiscus. What is this? Hibiscus. Hibiscus means good health. Good health. Good health. Good health. Good health. You can easily remember it by like good. Good means is acha. I had told you. And hell. Hell means nark. But this is not hell. This is hull. Good hull. Good hull. Next we have chrysanthemum. What is this? Chrysanthemum. And this is called guldaudi. 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 Next we have daisy. Daisy means gulbahar. Daisy means gulbahar. Daisy means gulbahar. Next we have tulip. Tulip. Tulip means nalini. Means Nalini. Nalini is also the name of some girls in Hindi. So it is a very beautiful name. So tulip means Nalini. Tulip means Nalini. So let's revise all. Rose means gulab. Rose means gulab. Marigold means genda. Marigold means genda. Genda. This is gulab. This is genda. This is surajmukhi. 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 This is champa. Champa. This is dahlia. Dahlia. This is nargis. Nargis. This is kamal. Kamal. Chameli. Chameli. Gudhal. Gudhal. Guldaudi. 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 Gulbahar. Gulbahar. And next we have Nalini. Nalini. Okay. So these are the flowers name which we had learned today. And this is all for today. Let's revise the whole section and then we will end the class. Okay. So just a second. Okay. So we have weekdays name Somvar, Mangalvar, Budhvar, Guruvar, Shukravar, Shanivar, Ravivar. Somvar, Mangalvar, Budhvar, Guruvar, Shukravar, Shanivar and Ravivar. Okay. I hope this is clear for you. And next we have flowers name Gulab. This is Gulab. This is Genda. Surajmukhi. Surajmukhi. Champa. Champa. Magnolia means champa. Dahlia. Dahlia. Nargis. Nargis. Lotus. Lotus means kamal. Kamal. Chameli. This is chameli. Jasmine means chameli. Hibiscus means gudhal. Gudhal. This is guldaudi. 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 And this is gulbahar. 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 And this is nalini. Nalini. Tulip means nalini. So this is all for today, and thank you for connecting the Hindi classes. Thank you again. Thank you everyone. Keep learning and keep practicing. Practice will make you perfect. Okay. So let's end the class, and thank you again for the Hindi classes.